Hello people. So we are here today to understand how to access the resources available in the online course that you've purchased at hitbullseye.com. Process to log in and to access the resources is going to remain the same. So let's understand step by step how you can access all these resources and make the best use out of them. So first thing we got to do is go to this website hitbullseye.com. Click on the login button in the top right corner, enter your user credentials. You see a few buttons here. Click on the one on the extreme left hand side that says My Courses. Click on the course that you are registered for. Now this is your course page. So here we are. This is the course page where you have all the information available about your course. So in this course, you will find all the subjects listed here, and under each subject, you have all the topics listed. Now, for example, today you want to start with number system, or you know that the next class which is going to take place is on number system. So you go to this particular topic, look at the available resources. So you have the course guide, which will tell you how to use these resources. Then you have a pre-assessment test, which you have to take before the class. You have all these videos that you should have watched before attending the class on this particular topic. So to start a test, all that you need to do is click on this Take Test Now button. Follow the instructions on the screen. And the test opens. Attempt all the questions that you want to attempt. And then submit the test. You're back to the course page. You can see your scorecard and key and explanation for this particular test. And then watch all the videos that you have to.
Now the product of -2 and -3 students, it is 6. But it has a single digit and we are supposed to place 2 digits. So what we will...
After going through the videos, you need to download the ebook. You have to go through the practice assignments. The process again is very simple. Click on the download button. The ebook is downloaded on your device, whether it is a computer or a smartphone. Go through the content. Finish all the practice assignments and then take the online tests on this particular topic. So for example, in this case, we have online practice test 1 and practice test 2. The process is same. Go to Take Test Now button, submit the test and look at your score and explanation. The next thing is the live lecture on this particular topic. For that, you need to go back to home page of this course and look at this option here, how to access live lectures recordings. Click on this button. You will see all the lectures that have been conducted in the past available on this particular table. Recorded lecture, click on any of these topics and the video will start playing.
Are you getting, guys, whatever we are discussing? Are you all there? 3 celebrities on board. Sairaj and Meenakshi, and who is third one? Just say.
Alright, so this is the process. All the future lectures that are yet to take place, you will see an option of live lecture on the same table. So here you can see the session which is to take place today on 16th January, para completion and summary. It says live lecture. So the timings of the session are 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Clicking this link won't do anything at this point in time. You have to click this link at the time of the live lecture. So when you click this, it will redirect you to the app where all these live sessions take place. That is Zoom meetings. Open that app on the PC or phone, whichever device you're using, and your session will start. To know how to use this application, I will add a card on the YouTube video at the top and in the description below as well, which will be a tutorial to understand how to use Zoom Cloud Meeting to attend live lectures. So that is it about the course. For any doubt, anything that you want to ask about accessing the resources, you can use the comment section below, or you can write an email to admin@hitbullseye.com. Wish you all a very good luck. Hope you all shine in whichever exam you're going to take this year or next year. Good luck.